Let's talk about this spring compression tool a little bit real quick. So if you're in a pinch and you need something, I guess get this. But from my opinion, it's time consuming having to compress that spring. And you have to do one at a time because you already have the spring compressed. Might as well just pull the valve stem out or seal out, install it, the valve back in, and then seat the keepers. I guess you could say I could just, push it off with the socket and whatever, but that's what I got for right now. I mean, if you could use a different tool, I would. But I bought this in a pinch because I needed to finish this, and I couldn't wait for an actual tool. But I guess it does the job, but it's really tedious trying to get it lined up and compressed. So hopefully you buy a different tool. And if you do end up using this tool, that's what I got. So the seal's already in there. Okay. This is as much as you're gonna need right here. That way you're not biting so low into the valve stem seal. Maybe just 3 full springs, and then you're just gonna fucking push down a little bit. But you have to put your keepers in here through these slots. The keepers in there. And then what I do is I have a rubber mallet to hold the valve from going in, because if you don't have a helper and you try to push down on this, it's gonna push the valve down. So put a rubber mallet, put the keepers in here, push down, and then just put my finger on it, and it'll seat them, and then I'll unscrew this, and then I hit it with the rubber mallet, and then make sure it's sealed. And to pull these valve seals, you just pull the valve out, and then just get a vice grips or anything and just pull them. There's a rubber seal inside of them, and then clean it, install it dry, and then I have this to fully seat them. It's a 3/8 1/4-inch socket with an extension. Then once they're seated, they don't go all the way down, obviously, but yeah. Then I put some lubrication on the valve on the way in, and then just twist it as it goes into the seal, and that's it.